In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line chart without using a date in Tableau, all in the span of just 5 minutes. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced analyst, this tutorial will guide you seamlessly through the process. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your Tableau application. Make sure you have it installed on your computer and ready to go. This is your starting point where all the data magic happens. Once you've got Tableau open, go ahead and access your worksheet. This is essentially where you'll be doing all your work today. If you've already got a data set loaded, that's great. If not, you can easily add one by connecting to your data source. For this demonstration, we're assuming you've got your data all set up. Now let's get to the exciting part. Look over at your data panel on the left side of the screen. From there, you'll see various fields related to your data set. What you need to do next is locate the sales field. Click on it, hold down your mouse, and drag it over to the column shelf at the top of your worksheet. This move essentially sets up your x-axis, paving the way for our line chart formation. At this point, you might see a basic bar chart, but don't worry, we're going to refine it into a line chart shortly. Next up, we need a little adjustment. Right-click on the field you just added to the column shelf. In the options that appear, you will see dimensions. Select this to convert the sales measure into a categorical axis. This step is crucial because it changes how Tableau reads the data, allowing you to manipulate it into a line form even without date information. With that sorted, we're ready for the next step, which is dragging the profit field to the rows shelf. Find profit in your list of fields, click on it, and drag it over to rows at the top of your worksheet. As soon as you do this, you'll see your visualization transform, now showing how sales and profit relate, not just in a bar format, but with the potential to be a line chart. These adjustments allow Tableau to create a more dynamic view of your data. Finally, go up to the Show Me panel located on the right side of your screen. Here, select the line chart type to transform your current view. Immediately, your visualization updates to display a compelling line chart, mapping the relationship between sales and profits. And that's it. You've managed to create a line chart in Tableau without relying on date data. In just a few minutes, you've taken flat numbers and turned them into a dynamic visual story. Remember, Tableau is a powerful tool, and with every use, you'll uncover new ways to express and analyze your data. Thanks for tuning in, and happy charting.